How to sign using PandaDoc. In this video, we're going to be talking about PandaDoc and how you can quickly use this platform to sign any type of signature, electronic signature, stamp, or whatever you want. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to pandadoc.com. And once you're over here, you're going to go ahead to create new. Once you click on create new, choose whatever document you want. So let's say I want to upload my very own document that I want to place a signature on. So I'm going to go with a PDF that we're going to need a signature for. So let's go ahead with this one. All right. Now, once we upload this document, as you can see, it takes a few seconds to process it. Shouldn't take you long. And once we have done all of that, it's going to ask me if I want to add document recipients. I'm going to skip that because I don't want to. And once we have done that, it's going to bring us to this section. Now, once we're over here, let's say I want to add a signature right over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it. I'm going to make it smaller. That should be good enough. And once that is done, we're going to go ahead, click on it. Here it's going to say, do you want your signature? Upload something by yourself, type it down. I'm going to go ahead with type it down. You can also change the colors. I'm going to keep it black, click on accept and sign, and there we go. There is our electronic signature right there. And just like this, you can add as many signatures as you want. Like you can add it over here, increase the size, just click on it. Click on accept and sign. There we go. And you can choose to move it around as you please. And once your document is done, just click on finish document and it should go ahead and export it for you. So that is pretty much about it. That is how easy it is to sign using PandaDoc. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.